What?
Yeah.
Oh, very delicious. Adobo. Pusit. It's a squid adobo today. What can you say about your food?
Good.
So eat your food, baby. Very delicious adobo. Yan. My husband is always eating adobo. Very delicious sauce. Yummy. Perfect. Fantastic. Gigantic. So ano pa ginaantay natin, mga palangga? Diba? Shala, kaya itong sudaan ka rin kasi na-miss kong kumain ng pusit.
Bay leaf.
Oh my God! So let's eat pusit. Grabe dahil. Diyos ko, itsura pa lang dahil. Oh my gosh. This is the most, when you cook it, this is the most easiest recipe. Kasi it will be cooked in just 3 minutes. If your fire is high, sarap kaayo. So ano pa inaantay natin, mga langga? Let's get it over. Diba?
That looks like a piece of plastic.
Perfect for occasion. That's the best. Oh, itlogin.
What?
Yummy. Perfect. Lami.
Okay.
Lami kaya. Diba? So that's what we got today. Lami kaya dahil. Perfect. Tsaka ito yung gusto ko sa pusit. Itlugin. No? Mataba. Mataba ba yung loob? I like this kind of pusit ever, guys. Ayoko ng pusit na ano. Huh? Lami kaya. The best. The best recipe ever. Gusto ko ganito seafood, no? Huh? Perfect iron. And we are makulay na buhay. You as alive. Love you all. Mwah.